Combination lock easy to carry. Using this helmet carabiner lock will free your hands. No need to carry your helmet around and additional keys anywhere. High quality metallic combination pin lock so that your helmet will not get stolen. Small size, 1.38*3.15, and lightweight to easily tuck into your pocket and carry around. Durable helmet cable lock. The retractable cable consists of ultra-strong steel braided line coated in PVC for corrosion-resistant, cut-resistant and scratch protection. The cable is up to 59 inches, can be used for 2 helmets or lock jacket and helmet together. Universal multipurpose. This helmet cable lock works with all motorcycles, street bikes, scooters, and bicycles. Fits all half-face helmet, full-face helmet, and crash helmet. Can be perfectly used to secure your helmet, bags, jacket, suitcase, baby stroller, ladder, garden furniture and more. Warm tips. Please set a password that you can remember easily. In case of you forget the password, the lock cannot be reset. Instruction about how to install carabiner pin lock is included in the package. Anti-theft design. This lock is designed to work on prevent the helmet or bike from being ridden away. We recommend you park up in a busy or visible location if possible. If you have any issues with item, please feel free to contact us. Top reviews from the United States. Good helmet coat lock for your motorcycle. I have been using it the last few days and it's done everything I could ask for so far. It's a deterrent like all locks, and if you treat it as such, it is perfect.